In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Sutton Bank mobile app, whether you're a new user eager to access your bank account on the move, or simply updating to the latest version. This step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's start with the basics. First, grab your mobile device and head over to your internet browser. The first thing you need to do is conduct a quick search online. Open Google or whichever search engine you prefer and type in Sutton Bank mobile app. This straightforward search will lead you to a list of results. Here, you're looking for the official download link to ensure you're getting the genuine app from a trusted source. Once you've identified the right link from the search results, click it. This should bring you directly to a page where you can choose whether to download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. The choice depends on the type of device you are using. If you have an iPhone, you'll want the App Store. If you're on an Android device, Google Play is your go-to. Now, let's proceed to the downloading process. On your mobile device, simply tap Install if you're using Google Play or Get if you're on the App Store. This will initiate the download and installation of the app. Typically, this process only takes a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your internet connection. During this time, it's good practice to ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid using up your cellular data. For those of you following along on a computer, once you choose the store, you can always switch to your phone to complete the step. Just navigate to the store on your device and find the app using the same search term. Follow the same simple tap commands and you're all set. And there you have it, the Sutton Bank mobile app is now installed on your phone. To start using the app, locate the icon on your device and tap it open. You might be prompted to sign in with your user credentials or set up an account if you're new. Following the prompts from here is straightforward, and then you're ready to enjoy all the benefits of mobile banking. Before I wrap up, remember, it's always a good idea to keep your apps updated. App updates can often fix bugs and introduce new features that enhance your banking experience, so keep an eye out for any updates in the store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more tech questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or check out our other how-to videos. Enjoy hassle-free banking with your newly installed Sutton Bank mobile app.